Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm unboxing the Parani M10 motorcycle intercom. So this basically I've got it for communication during the rides. Usually uh, when we are going on a ride or when we are going on rides, uh, it becomes very difficult to take out your mobile for all the calls and do the communication. So basically when we are coordinating with the other riders, when we are going in a group or when we are riding solo, so yeah, this is very good device to have. We have the clamp here, and this is the device. So the main reason for choosing this model is like I tried searching for Sena itself is very costly here. The model starts from 11,000 change, and yeah, the one that we get for 11,000 is SMH5, I think, and it's basically very old one. And yeah, if you go for something latest models, they start at around 22,000. So I was looking for something below 10,000. So we have the Blue Armor C30, which I was not very convinced to take it, because like, it costs currently, it is having around price of around 10,990, basically around 11,000. So this is the charging cable, and this is the clamp, and this is the one that you stick to your helmet, and these are the speakers, and these are the adhesive mounts. These are the speakers, and yeah, and one of my friend is already using this. This is a boom mic cover. We have some quick start guides. Okay, let's. One of my friend is using it, and I've checked out the reviews, and everyone praises it for its noise cancelling capabilities while on the ride. And but as an intercom, this is okay, but for calls and all, this is very good. And for the music, okay, there is no bass of any kind. So yeah, and my main usage should be for the call, so that's why I've taken this. So let's peel off the covers. And and so to power it on, we have to hold the jog dial and the multifunction button for 1 second. Okay, it's turned on, and yeah, it immediately is in the pairing mode. And the main reason that I've gone for this is because of this jog dial. So it is just, you see, very easy to use and easy to take calls. So it would be, if you have small buttons during the ride, we'll be having the gloves on and it becomes difficult to take the calls. So this one, with this jog dial, you can answer the calls very easily. And let's see how the speakers are. These are the speakers, and this is the boom mic, and this one goes into the device. Okay, like this. And yeah, I do have cavities in my helmet to have these placed inside so that they won't stick out. And these are the velcros to which the mic sticks on. Okay, yeah, let's see how this will sound while it is. Oh, so I'll have to now install it on my helmet. For me, currently, this is retailing at 6,800, I think, and with some card discount that's going on in Amazon, I got it for 6,200 or 300. So I have installed it on my helmet, and yeah, it was easy, and I could. All it took was around 10-15 minutes, I think. But yeah, it fits perfectly, and yeah, the main advantage with this is like it is not too bulky, and yeah, yeah. It blends in with the helmet. The wiring is from here. This is the one that gets connected to the speakers, and yeah, that's it. I'll have to see. For now, like I've checked the music, and yeah, on the high volume it is too loud, but there is no braking, so that's good thing. So I think if you are listening at half the volume, that should be good enough. So yeah, we'll use it for some time, and then I'll post my review. Thanks for watching.